Tushar Rai, who's representing STPI. And sir, welcome to Digital Gov.
Thank
So,
you.
please tell me what is the focus of STPI?
See, first of all, STPI is trying to take certain initiative for fulfillment of the initiative that are taken in the Digital India initiative. In fact, STPI is into the promotion of software exports from the country, and also to promote the startup companies, the smaller companies across the country. So STPI is creating a lot of infrastructure across the country, mostly in tier 2 and tier 3 cities, primarily to disperse the industry from metro cities. Secondly, that we are coming up with a kind of new age incubation program under which we are trying to address the requirement of the startup companies, the entrepreneurs, and and trying to address those things at our locations across the country. Third is that we are trying to become smart. We are trying to bring e-governance initiative in STPI, for which we are going to implement in process of basically implementing ERP. So we will be able to implement ERP by this year end, by which we'll be able to serve about 3,700 STPI registered unit, and would electronically deliver all those services which are required by your registered units.
So, how is the ICT implementation taking place in your department, and how are you leveraging the benefits out of it?
In fact, STPI is very lean and thin organization, and basically we are dispersed all over the country. We have to be, we have to be on electronics delivery system in any case, because our and we have to be very efficient that way. So actually, the ERP implementation is aimed at serving our industry, IT industry, in a very efficient manner, cutting down the transaction cost, minimizing the gaps, and that's why this ERP implementation, which is being done by Infosys on our behalf, will be implemented by December 2015.
Okay. And what are the major functions that STPI is looking forward to?
In fact, STPI, is a single window clearance agency for software exporters. STPI is also internet service provider. We provide internet bandwidth to our incubating companies, to anybody, any industry, IT industry in any place, and we also provide plug and play and incubation infrastructure to startup and young entrepreneurs. So these are the three major areas of work that we do. And as I said, that we are trying to transform in all these fields and trying to reposition ourselves to meet the requirements of today.
Okay. And sir, while implementing the ICT, how much it is giving a transparency in the working of STPI?
In fact, ERP implementation will change the way we do business. Basically, ERP implementation will help me in monitoring the performance of our own people across the country. It will also electronically help me in supervising all the functions, to take decisions, to make the things instantly. So ERP is must for us, and that's why it is going to happen.
And what are the challenges that you are forcing at present?
In fact, major challenge is that how do we transform the business processes? That's the major challenge, because we have been doing the things for a long time and we are accustomed and habitual of doing things in a particular manner. See, ERP demands us to be totally abstract in our processing. So the major challenge is the culture and in laying down the abstract process, and that's why it is taking time.
So, platforms like Digital Gov, how are they beneficial for you?
Of course, it's very obvious they bring all the stakeholders, primarily in the field of e-governance. So the elites are this Digital India, in a digital government platform. They bring all kind of speakers from the government, from businesses, primarily those who are working for the implementation of e-governance program, and that gives a kind of platform where one can learn from each other. So that's the one way to get the benefit from the experiences that other people have. So that's a good platform.
Thank you so much, sir.
You are most welcome.
Thank you.